A radioisotope of an element is an atom with an unstable nucleus which decays and emits alpha, beta, or gamma rays until the isotope becomes stable. The radiation can be used for different purposes such as medicine, industry, or agriculture. An example of a radioisotope used in medicine would be Gallium-67. It is a radioactive form of the element gallium and is used in medicine field. Gallium-67, when decays, produces gamma rays. Gamma radiation is the most penetrating radiation, as it has the highest amount of energy of all types of electromagnetic radiation. It has no charge and mass and can be only blocked by thick lead. When the rays go through matter, they eject electrons from the atoms they collide with. Gallium-67 is extremely useful for diagnosing cancer and detecting inflammatory disease. It detects cancer cells in the body through Gallium-67 scan, which is a type of nuclear medicine that detects tumors, infections, or inflammatory diseases. Gallium-67, which has a decay half-life of 78 hours, or 3.3 days, is injected into patient's vein. By the way, a half-life is the time taken for half of the radioactive atoms in the nuclei in the sample to decay. Less time the radiation stays in body, less side effects. As Gallium-67 localizes in certain parts of the body, it emits gamma rays which can be viewed by gamma cameras. The camera takes several pictures, and through this, a doctor can determine whether a patient has cancer or other inflammatory diseases. It diagnoses melanoma, lymphomas, which is cancer of the lymph nodes, and lymphogranulomatosis, also called Hodgkin disease, which is a kind of cancer. The benefits of using Gallium-67 are: it has an advantage over other imaging exams, such as indium leukocyte imaging. It has been used for more than 40 years, with no known adverse effects. The camera used to get images does not produce any gamma radiation. Small amount of doses are used. However, problems of using Gallium-67 are the half-life of 3.3 days, which is pretty long compared to other radioisotopes used for nuclear medicine. This therefore increases the risks or side effects from extended radiation. Severe itching, erythema, and rash was found in 1 over 300 patients, and it is not recommended for pregnant women as it can cause fetal harm or reproduction capacity. When Gallium-67 is injected for nuclear medicine, substances do not damage the body. The half-life, which is 3.3 days, may be longer than most of other radioisotopes used for nuclear medicine. It has been used for more than 40 years, with no known adverse side effects. It is important to understand what radioisotope is, and the uses in today's society, the benefits and problems.